fellow funky coners, this is exactly what happened. Look. So see, this is what happened off camera. Look, see, this is a helicopter, okay? He tries parking on my helicopter. And then, for some odd reason, the game is like, looks like we have a little physics problem. Let's just send this guy to the shadow realm real quick and just gone. And I'm just standing here laughing so bad because he just got sent to the shadow realm for no reason. This is a helicopter. Okay. Oh, fellow funky corners, this is gonna be a really funny video because it's just me and my friend trying to park our helicopters, but miserably fail. I'm trying to go up. I'm trying to move. Get your stupid thing off me. Yes!
Yo, chill. Keep up on my side.
Oh.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna park now. Alright. I'm standing up. I'm standing now. You exploded? Oh. I'm gonna reveal your address, bro. Ow. Yeah.
Mess.
Yeah, it can work for real. We're not gonna die. We're not dying. Go! So I can't get up. Uh-oh. Okay, it's okay. I just did it on purpose to give the show. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay. I understand now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm a better parker. Oh God, I'm not. Oh God. Yo. Oh, it landed perfectly. You see how good I am? The game just wants to dice me like that, bruh. Hey, yo, not like that. This is my beloved heli. Oh, baby.
Okay.
Stop! No, Chico! Still standing after all this time.
Just give me a little nudge. Okay, nice.
Yo, bye. Oh shit.
What happened?
Hey! I'm going to die.
I'm also going to die.
I'm a lightning. Good luck, bro.
Yeah, I'm still alive.
I'm trying to fix my inventory. I'm gonna kill you, bro. I'm going to destroy your life. We're dead. Kill us all. Why are you not like that? Do something about the villager. Why are you not like dying villager? Stop. Why are you calling a dying villager having a win? I'm Gojo Satoru. Gojo Satoru. I'm not Gojo Satoru.
You're gonna get the half treatment. I'm going to make your thing twitch.
Yeah, I guess it's. Yeah, I guess so. Ridiculous. I'm a singer. You pushed me up. It's an alpha lighting zombie.
Yes.
Oh God. That's it.
Rest in peace, my helicopter.
Let me up. Let me up. Yo, this game doesn't want me to let me up. So it's letting me go up, but it's not letting me go down. Oh, my thing is on fire. I need this thing to park ASAP. Oh. Yeah, that's what it does.
What is this? Yippee! I fell!
You fell?
Oh yeah, I fell!
Oh no.
I fell!
Wait, I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up.
Please!
Wait, let me pick you
Put me as
up.
a sacrifice! I do
To
not
the
want to be a
screen.
sacrifice!
When? To the thing. Where's my gun? Where's my blade?